Growing older is a natural and beautiful part of life. As we enter our 60s and beyond, we begin to see life through a different lens. We carry decades of experiences, memories, and wisdom. But aging can also come with its own challenges. That's why having strong support systems becomes more important than ever. Support doesn't always have to come from family. In fact, some of the most powerful forms of support can come from unexpected places. In this guide, we will explore 6 essential types of support that help people over 60 live healthy, happy, and meaningful lives. These supports are stronger than just blood ties. They are built on trust, connection, and purpose. Let's explore the 6 pillars that can help make your golden years truly golden. Community connections. One of the strongest pillars of support is your connection to a community. This can mean neighbors, clubs, local organizations, or even people you meet regularly at the park or library. Being part of a community brings a sense of belonging. When you know people are nearby who care, you feel less alone. You have someone to talk to, share a laugh with, or ask for help when needed. Many people over 60 find joy in volunteering, joining walking groups, or attending local events. Staying connected helps keep your mind sharp and your heart full. Simple conversations or regular visits can greatly reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation. Whether it's a church group, a gardening club, or a senior center, being around others gives life more color and meaning. Even short chats with your neighbors, friendly greetings from shopkeepers, or attending a weekly class can create strong emotional ties. These little interactions build a web of human connection that becomes a powerful support system over time. Being part of something bigger than yourself also brings purpose. You're not just a person living alone. You're part of a group, part of a neighborhood, part of a community. That makes life more meaningful. Creating community ties can also be practical. Need someone to water your plants while you're away, or help with your phone or TV? Communities often step up to help each other. It's mutual support. Everyone gives and receives. So go ahead and reach out. Say hello to someone new. Join a club. Visit your local community center. You'll be surprised by how many people are looking for the same thing: real human connection. Health and wellness. Support taking. Care of your body and mind is essential after 60. Good health is one of the foundations of a happy life. This doesn't mean you need to run marathons or become a health expert. It just means paying attention to your body and making choices that keep you feeling well. Start with regular checkups. Find doctors you trust. Make sure you are up to date on medications and screenings. Ask questions and speak up about any changes you notice in your body. Exercise can be as simple as daily walks, stretching, or gentle yoga. Movement helps keep your joints flexible and your heart strong. It also improves your mood and helps you sleep better. Eating well is also key. Focus on whole foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Stay hydrated and avoid too much sugar and processed food. Sleep is often overlooked, but it's crucial. A regular sleep schedule can help you feel refreshed, boost your immune system, and improve your mental clarity. Mental health matters too. It's normal to feel anxious or sad sometimes. Life changes like retirement or the loss of a loved one can be tough. Don't ignore these feelings. Talk to a counselor, join a support group, or even speak with your doctor. There are many options for emotional support. Taking care of your health also means avoiding bad habits. If you smoke or drink heavily, now is a great time to cut back or quit. Your body is more sensitive to these things as you age. A healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be overwhelming. Make small changes and build good habits. Your body and mind will thank you. Financial stability and guidance, money can be a major source of stress. After retirement, it's important to have a clear view of your finances. This doesn't mean you need to be rich. It just means managing what you have in a smart and steady way. Make a simple budget. Know your income and your expenses. Try to cut out things you no longer need. Look for senior discounts and take advantage of free services. Make sure you understand your retirement benefits. This could be a pension, Social Security, or other income sources. Speak to a professional if you're not sure. It also helps to talk to a financial advisor who understands retirement planning. They can help you make sure your savings last and that you can afford the things that matter most to you. Protect yourself from scams. Older adults are often targets of fraud. Be cautious about sharing your personal information. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Also, have a plan for your estate. This means writing a will, setting up powers of attorney, and choosing someone to handle your affairs if you're unable to. These steps can protect your loved ones and give you peace of mind. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Many community centers offer free financial advice. Libraries and local groups also host free workshops about budgeting and managing money in retirement. The more you understand your finances, the more confident and relaxed you'll feel. Emotional support and companionship, emotional well-being, is just as important as physical health. As we age, we might lose loved ones or feel like our social circle is shrinking. That's why companionship becomes even more vital. This support doesn't have to come only from family. Friends, neighbors, and even pets can bring comfort and joy. Regular phone calls, shared meals, or simple check-ins can mean the world. Pets, in particular, can be a great source of emotional support. A dog or cat offers company, routine, and unconditional love. Just petting a dog can lower your stress. Don't be afraid to reach out to others. Many people your age are also looking for connection. Try joining hobby groups or classes, or reconnect with old friends. Technology can help too. Use video calls, social media, or messaging apps to stay in touch with loved ones. Even if they live far away, you can still be close. If you're feeling alone or down, talking to a therapist or counselor can help. There's no shame in asking for support. Mental health professionals can offer guidance and understanding. Look for community support groups, whether for grief, aging, or simply making new friends. Sharing your feelings in a safe space can be healing. Being heard and understood makes life richer. You don't need a large social circle, just a few good people who care. Purpose and personal fulfillment. A sense of purpose keeps life exciting and meaningful. After retirement, some people feel lost without a job or daily routine. But purpose doesn't end with work. You can find purpose in many ways, through hobbies, learning new things, helping others, or simply enjoying nature. Many seniors take up art, music, writing, or gardening. Some volunteer at schools, libraries, or hospitals. Learning keeps your mind sharp. Consider taking online classes or attending local workshops. Many community colleges offer free or low-cost courses for seniors. Mentoring is another way to feel needed. Your life experience can be incredibly valuable to younger generations. Whether it's helping a grandchild or volunteering with youth, your presence matters. Sometimes, purpose is quiet. It might be in your daily routine, your spiritual practice, or caring for your garden. It's about feeling like your life has meaning. You don't need to do big things. Small acts of kindness, creativity, and mindfulness can bring great fulfillment. Wake up each day with something to look forward to, even if it's as simple as a walk, a call, or reading a good book. Purpose gives you direction. It keeps your spirit alive and your heart open. Safe and comfortable living. Environment where you live matters a lot. Your home should be a place where you feel safe, relaxed, and in control. As you get older, your needs may change, and your space should adjust with them. Simple changes like adding handrails, better lighting, or non-slip rugs can make a big difference. Consider whether your current home will continue to meet your needs in the years ahead. Some people choose to downsize to a smaller home, move closer to loved ones, or join a senior living community. These decisions can be difficult, but they are worth thinking through. Think about accessibility. Are there stairs you can no longer manage easily? Is the bathroom safe? Can you reach things in the kitchen without climbing or bending? Technology can also help. Emergency alert systems, smart home devices, and automatic lighting can make life easier and safer. Keep your home organized. Too much clutter can be a hazard and a source of stress. A clean, open space is not only safer, it also makes you feel calmer and more in control. Your environment has a big impact on your mood and health. Living somewhere that fits your needs lets you age with dignity and comfort. Take time to assess your home and don't hesitate to make changes. Your safety and comfort are worth it. Conclusion: life after 60 is full of potential. It's a time to reflect, grow, and enjoy the rewards of your journey. But it's also a time when the right support systems become more important than ever. These 6 essentials: community, health, finances, emotional well-being, purpose, and a safe home form a strong foundation. Each one supports you in different ways, and together they help create a life that is rich, joyful, and fulfilling. You don't have to face aging alone. There are people, resources, and connections out there to help you thrive. With iron-strong support in your golden years, the best chapters of your life can still be ahead. Embrace this stage with courage, wisdom, and an open heart. You've lived a life full of stories, challenges, and triumphs. Now is the time to build on that strength with support that lifts you even higher. Golden years don't mean slowing down. They mean living smart, staying connected, and shining even brighter.